How much does probate cost in Utah? It's a good question. How much does probate cost in Utah? Hi, I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland. I do estate planning, wills, trusts, probates. I have offices in West Jordan, Utah and Lindon, Utah. One common concern that families have about probate is cost. Probate expenses can vary depending on the complexity of the estate and whether disputes arise or not. Typical probate costs may include court filing fees, attorney's fees, personal representative fees, and administrative expenses. Utah law allows personal representatives to receive compensation for their services. The duties and authority of a personal representative that are described in Utah Code Section 75-3-703. And some estates require very minimal legal involvement, and others involve very extensive work, and they can relate to asset identification, creditor claims, tax issues, disputes, etc. So administrative costs may include property appraisals, accounting services, and property maintenance expenses. Now, although probate costs in Utah are generally more moderate than in some states like California, the process still requires a lot of time, and it requires resources. The typical probate costs in Utah range between $5,000 and $10,000 for the entire process. But again, remember, this can be more if there's fighting among the beneficiaries or the heirs. Cases can go to well over $100,000 if there are appeals, and can take in excess of 5 years or more. And this is why many individuals explore estate planning strategies that allow certain assets to pass outside of probate to avoid court. Living trusts, revocable living trusts, beneficiary designation forms, and coordinated asset ownership structures can sometimes reduce probate involvement. So look, estate planning, it's really about balancing simplicity, efficiency, and legal protection of your family. And now, if you've watched any of my videos, that I believe estate planning isn't really about money. It's about people. It's about making sure the people you love aren't left overwhelmed, fighting, or confused when you're no longer here. Everything that I do in estate planning is built around this one goal, and it's protecting your loved ones and your family when they need it most. If you would like help designing an estate plan that minimizes unnecessary probate expenses, you can give me a call. Again, I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland. My phone number is 801-613-1472, or you can click on the link in the description box below to see if we'd be a good fit to work together. I hope that you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.